Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. Picked this up today in St Peter's Hospice in Keynsham. I'll probably put this on my Putarubberbandonit channel because I'm pretty sure that one is a rubber band powered car. It does say unchecked, cost me £1.99, says unchecked, which probably means there may be pieces missing. But I thought I'd take a risk on it. And if necessary, we might have to 3D print some bits. Kinetic Machines. Okay, race car, catapult, launcher, wind mobile, and dragonfly. Okay, well, the bit that I'm interested in is the race car, and looking in there, it looks like it's probably the one that they built. So, have we got enough bits there to make the car? How does that look? That looks like that might be the car. Yeah, we'll take it as partly built. So we're supposed to reach in there and grab one of the rubber bands and put it around there. Okay, wind it up. And that'll be our rubber band powered car. And the rest of it more or less looks like trim. One, two, three, four, five. piece like that. Goes like that. Not really too worried about making it look exactly like it shows it, but we'll have a go. Not that piece, one of them. This looks needlessly complicated. Hang on. Is that the right piece? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that is the right piece. Trying to rush it. Right, that way round, so those. Go on there instead. Piece like that, and a piece like that. Okay. It really doesn't need all these bits sticking on it. Not just to make it go, this is just to make it look pretty. Okay. I want that bit. That's going to go on about there somewhere. Well, I think we can safely say we've got enough bits to do the job, which was the point of charity shop. Gold or garbage, you don't always get all the bits. Hang on, that goes like that. Where does that go? That's showing that going on there, like that. Okay, I mean, it's a smart looking car. All of that is unnecessary for what I want, which is just to test it as a rubber band powered car. And you definitely need small fingers to get in there to get hold of the rubber band. Doesn't show it, but I reckon you can get a blue one in there to join them together. Maybe not. Oh, come on. There. Right. Okay, well, there we are. That's our race car. So we better give it a run on the kitchen floor. So I could... That's going to be awkward. No, that works, doing that. Oh, it did. Dropped straight off again. Wind it up. Let it go. We'll see how far it goes. Well, we didn't exactly do the full length, did we? But that's a very short rubber band. I used 2 rubber bands for that last run. That gave it a bit more power. And obviously we could use up to 4 as what's on there at the moment. But 2 will do. So that's our rubber band powered car.